Hi, I'm Casey Coons, a librarian at Moon Library at the SUNY College of Environmental Science and Forestry. I'm going to show you how you can use a built-in feature of Windows 10 to make a video really quickly and easily that you can share online. This feature only works for computers running Windows 10 and requires a microphone attached to your computer in order to record your voice. I have several other videos showing other ways that you can make screencast videos like this in this LibGuide if this method doesn't work for you. The video that we're going to make will record whatever we're running on our computer. This is pretty powerful, as we could make a PowerPoint slideshow filled with images that we want to accompany our narration, or we could demonstrate how to use a piece of software or how to navigate a certain website. Even if you don't have any specific imagery that you need to accompany your narration, including some imagery, even a simple film loop, allows you to post your video on many additional platforms, such as popular video sharing sites. In order to use the Xbox game bar, it is as simple as holding the Windows key down and hitting G on your keyboard. Now, if this doesn't work for you at first, you may need to go to the settings. So I'll show you how to enable this if it doesn't work on your first try. You go to the settings, and in the settings here there's gaming. And here, this tab, you see the Xbox game bar, and you need to make sure that this is turned on. It can be turned off sometimes by default. So we activate the game bar by doing Windows G. When we activate the game bar, we need to be in the application that we want to capture. The game bar cannot capture the desktop of your computer, and it can't capture multiple applications in the video. Here, we're in Google Chrome, and that's what we're going to capture. So the game bar overlay has a lot of different features you can see here. The one that we're interested in is usually in the upper left. It's called Capture. This is the one we're looking for. And it can be hidden or shown by this button here, Capture. So if it's not visible, you may need to click this button. Now before we record, we want to record our voice. So we need to make sure that this button here, Turn on Mic While Recording, is pressed. Again, now this might also give you an error when you click it, telling you that the Xbox game bar does not have permission to use the microphone. But if it does, it will show you where to go in the settings in order to enable that. So now we're ready to record. In order to record, we just need to hit this circle record button and we will start recording. So you can see that we're recording using the Xbox game bar because of this feature over here that shows the red record button and shows that we've now been recording for about 15 seconds. This also has controls where we can stop the recording and where we can mute the microphone if we want to. Now again, you could use a variety of applications to share visuals while screencasting this way. You could also share your face if you wanted by using an application like this that is connected to your webcam. Here I'm using a website that's called webcamtoy.com, which allows me to give my face this really trippy black and white effect. When we're done recording, we just have to hit this stop button. And then we get this notification that the game clip was recorded. If we click this, it'll bring us back to the game bar and it'll show us the gallery where our clips is. Now you can see that it's showing that there's nothing here, but don't worry. It takes a few minutes for the games and applications that you capture using this to show up in this gallery. But we can get to them immediately by clicking this folder icon, and that will open a folder on our computer that will take us to where the file has been saved. So here we can see an MP4 file, and it's in my videos captures folder. And let's open it up to make sure that it recorded everything that we wanted to. This should open up with like Windows Movie Player. Feature over here that shows the red record button and shows that we've now been recording for about 15 seconds. So it looks like it recorded our voice and the application correctly. Again, notice that the game bar only captures a single application, so that the game bar element that I was referencing there was not visible in the video, which is nice. Also, the taskbar of my computer is not part of this video either. It's just captured Google Chrome, and that's all it's able to see. So once I've determined that this video is acceptable, I'm ready to go. And now all I need to do is go to whichever video sharing site that I want to use, YouTube, Vimeo, or another site, and upload the file. So this has been a tutorial on how you can use the Xbox Game Bar in Windows 10 to create quick and easy screencast videos that you can share with others. There are other ways to make screencasts which are discussed elsewhere in this LibGuide. I'm Casey Coons, librarian for the Moon Library at the SUNY College of Environmental Science and Forestry. Feel free to share this video with others, and thanks for watching.